Hey, we back. We reacting.
I'm sorry,
to
we're back. We're back.
Queen
we have to be
Naija.
back.
I
We
wonder
have
if
to be
she's
back.
Nigerian.
Oh, Queen Naija.
Yeah.
I'm sure she's one of those. She has one of those racial backgrounds where there's always a Nigerian parent. Look,
Yeah,
like
these days, yeah.
most of these biracial
Children.
celebrities, they always have a Nigerian father. They always have a Nigerian father. So
That's true.
yeah, it's
Anyway,
probably a Nigerian father
let's see.
or a Nigerian mother.
You better be careful what you say to me. Quick to cut a nigga off so brave.
Now, no one has ever accused her of being ugly. No one.
She kind of looks like what's the girl? Not Alina Baraz. The Colombian girl. I'm forgetting her name now. Oh, I'm forgetting
Miss
her name.
Colombia.
Forgot her name.
Gracefully, I got the power to make 'em wait for me. I don't need, I better make 'em wait for me. Talk shit, but they ain't gon' never say to me.
How much are phones in America? I'm sure it was an iPhone.
It's water resistant.
Okay, so
She's just throwing a tantrum. She's gonna swim and fetch it again. I know how girls think.
for how long? Can it stay underwater?
I don't know, but she's gonna go back and fetch it.
Because they know ain't no replacing me. I've been there and done that, ain't no phasing me. I don't need no fake love. So many bands I'm running through. So much that I wanna do. Starting to become so clear to me. Need more than love, I need loyalty. Like about my own, I don't need a loan. Don't need no chaperone, I'm already grown. Got an APR chrome, clever than stone. If you ain't on my type of time, then leave me alone. You can't deny it, baby, I'm fire. Ain't nobody fucking with me. If I'm too much, then know to leave.
No fake love.
I'm a force by myself every time I'm a bet on me. You better be careful what you say to me. Quick to cut a nigga off so gracefully. I got the power to make 'em wait for me. I don't need, I better make 'em wait for me. Talk shit, but they ain't gon' never say to me. Because they know ain't no replacing me. I've been there and done that, ain't no phasing me. I don't need no fake love.
Promise me to not this far. Get mad once we get out and talk loud. I know you got your own, I just wanna hold you down. For me, you do the same, I'm who to blame. I kept fake love around. And I know your friends just talk
Is he
shit,
still
but they
under house arrest?
Oh, him, yeah.
For how long?
I have no idea. This thing has been.
He's been
announced
shooting
as-
videos in this driveway.
Yeah.
And I think he's in like some weird, one of those states that nobody cares about. Like Iowa or some shit like that.
He's from. I know that he's from Louisiana,
Yeah, but he's out.
but
He's out.
he's not LA.
No, he's not in LA. He's in one of those states. I remember even Charleston was talking about him. When he's like, oh, he's wearing makeup.
Oh,
yeah.
wait till he-
See this Rolls Royce, I bought this. See that mountaintop and the house on it that's paid for, ain't no rent. How you talk to me about love and this you show me?
This says.
Man, not sell the cars.
This,
Fuck it.
This says a lot about his star power, though. That everybody actually features him and they are willing to come to his house
Yeah.
and shoot.
Let me check where that house is.
I ain't what you like, then coach me. How you just gon' up and throw me? And I can't deny it, admit I was lying. I love you, but this I don't need. Got your own girl thinking that it's me. But you don't be kept in your type, I can't keep. Yeah.
You better be careful what you say to me. Quick to cut a nigga off so gracefully. I got the power to make 'em wait for me. I don't need, I better make 'em wait for me. Talk shit, but they ain't gon' never say to me. Because they know ain't no replacing me. I've been there and done that, ain't no phasing me. I don't need no fake love. Better be careful.
You can never go wrong with girls who have thigh tattoos.
Mm-hmm.
You can never go wrong.
But I wouldn't. Never mind.
Shut up.
Never mind. The house is in Utah.
It's in Utah.
That's the state,
Oh.
yeah. She looks like Kelly Uchis. Yes, she looks like Kelly Uchis.
I have no idea who that is.
Yeah. But yeah.
That was Queen Naija.
And NBA.
Young Boy Never Broke Again.
Huh? Isn't it the other way around?
Yeah, it is, but makes more sense this way, I guess, when you say it in full. But yeah, that was Queen Naija and NBA Young Boy. Please like, subscribe, and suggest. Suggesting is important. We need content to react to, and hopefully it's something in the last, I don't know, 2 years.
Yeah, just not even time
Because
per se, but as
people
long as
have been
it's worthy.
People have been suggesting songs from. They're like, my mother used to love this song when she was 6. Someone suggested a song called by a band called Heart. Like, how do I live?
That does
But yeah.
sound old.
Thank you for all the love, and yeah, we'll see you next time.
Don't forget to tell the people that you love them, and
Don't be gay. Don't gay it up. Don't gay it up.
hey man, I guess it's slappity slap.
You lucky you're not in Uganda. No, they do.
Chop off your ass.
There you
No more indulging.
you get the indulgence treatment.
Anyway, yeah.